Hey guys, this is the Garmin QuickFit quarter turn bike mount. Essentially what I'm doing with it is turning my Enduro 3 into a bike computer. The cost of the bike mount is around 20 euros, so not super expensive, but considering it's a bunch of plastic and some straps, it might feel a bit expensive, but compared to an actual bike computer, this is quite cheap. To check the current pricing, check the link down below in the description, and if you want a full unboxing video with all the contents in it, go check out that video at the end. It does come with a small instruction leaflet, but you won't really be needing it because I'm going to show you how to do the installation. So essentially you strap in the bracket side and then you clip in your watch, and you can just mount it in by turning the watch. So the bracket comes with this small plastic piece and then this rubber, and the rubber goes under the piece, and then you mount it on the handlebar in a way where these two holes come at the top and the bottom. So you could do it pretty much anywhere because it comes with those rubber bands, but I'm going to show you how to do it here. So this is the longer band. It also comes with shorter bands like this. So it has 4 of each, but for my case I actually just need 2 of the longer ones. This is the Kona Rove, and the handlebar with the strap around here is quite thick. So what you do is you just pull the rubber band into place here, and then you come around and put it on the other side, and that's pretty much it. Most likely I will be putting it here on the other side later on, but just for showing you guys, this is a better spot for that. So then when you have the watch, you first select the correct size. There are 3 sizes, so this is the 26mm, which fits my Enduro 3 and would fit the Fenix 8 and 8 Pro and 7X. And yeah, well, if you have the smaller Fenix, you will need the smaller size mount, but it comes with all 3 QuickFit sizes, so you're covered. So first put in the top, and then you push down the bottom like that. It snaps in very securely. Then you see that the holes are this way, so put it in here and then turn it until it clicks in, and it's securely mounted on the handlebar. And of course, since it's with those rubber bands, you can a bit adjust the angle, but it's I would say it's quite securely mounted. And to get it off, it clicked in, but you can just, if you use enough force, it will turn like this out. And to get the actual watch off the mount, press on the bottom and you can get it out. So I think it's a quite good system for turning your watch into a bike computer. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.